Kia ora, my name's Lynn Burrell. I'm the principal of this beautiful kura, Rerekohu Area School on the east coast, Te Araroa. It's essential to have safe water. It's a basic human right. For almost 2 years, we could not provide safe drinking water for our students or for our staff. We had frequent E. coli readings, and it was a particularly distressing time. Our students were drinking bottled water for up to 2 years. E. coli is a bacteria. It can make adults and children very sick. Despite my caretakers' best efforts, we knew that we were going to fail before the water was even tested. So it was very much in my court. The buck stopped with me. The water that we have at our school now is squeaky clean. The drinking water is from the roof. Rainwater goes into the water tanks, then into this absolutely wonderful water treatment system, and it's like coming from a third world country to being part of the 21st century. Our journey to where we are today was a collaborative effort. We had Water Services Authority, Taumata Arawai, the Ministry of Education, water technicians, our project manager from School Support Services, and our caretaker had a key role in making sure that the system met his very high standards. It gets serviced regularly, the filters are checked and the UV lights. The water tester comes in once a month, so it's still an ongoing maintenance process, but it's a lot less work than it was in the past. My advice to other school principals, particularly the rural school principals, if you are in the situation that we've been in, do not ignore it. Do not hope it will go away. You will get through this and it will be hard, but there is light at the end of the tunnel.